Hey friends, what about some delicious crispy tofu made without deep frying it? This is my seasoned tofu. I'm getting it ready for the air fryer. This is how it is when it's soaking. You can soak it in any kind of seasoning or sauce you like. I recommend things like soy sauce, pepper sauce, onion salt, garlic. Jeera gives a very good flavor. If you're into meat or meaty taste, jeera or cumin, that really brings out flavor. But really, you could season it any way you like. It's all up to you. So this will go in the air fryer, and it'll come out really good. This is how it looks when it comes out of the oven. Today I'm going to use this to make hot dogs, believe it or not. So for today's vegan meal of today, I have 2 whole wheat hot dog bread with tofu inside of it, pineapple, mustard, and salad onions. I have regular crinkle fries with some barbecue sauce, my turmeric with black pepper, cabbage with some pink sauce. So that's my meal for today. Tell me what you think in the comment section.